They call it in Spanish Robenia.
Okay.
This is it.
Oh, it sticks on.
Even animals don't eat it.
Oh, they don't need it.
You put a seed of this in one place, the whole area will be full of it, and nothing else will grow.
Really? Like a weed.
Yeah.
What's the color of the dye?
The dye is here. This is the root of that. So the root give the colors, and I mean, this is the color. This is you see the inside, the reddish color.
Oh.
And then we have indigo. You know what the indigo is? So we are all using in the jeans, also. And then we have cochineal, cochinilla.
Yeah. Coming from the cactus.
Exactly. So we buy it from Mexico. Yes. So you got a scarf from me. Because the only person in this last 6 months who got the exact place where it comes is you. After Soviet Union, and we had men and women working together. Then we had some natural problems. Then we separate men 20 kilometers from here, and the work become 30% more. But in both of them, if they are not married, for marriage, they get 1 month off with payment extra for marriage. But when they become pregnant, but pregnant in Uzbekistan, ladies become, so they get 3 years off, 2 years payment, 6 months we have to pay. This is government law, and 1.5 year government pay for baby. But after 3 years, if they come back, the job is guaranteed. But not all of them come back, because sometimes the first baby is not even 1 year old. A lot of knots. Now I want to show you how we are making it. But before that, I want to tell you that you see this room. This room is made with the idea of the Karlsruhe University in Germany, that we should have a lot of windows that the people can work in daylight. And it's like the same sitting on the front of the computer. Every 15 minutes they have to make a 5 minutes break. And every 2 hours they should leave the room outside for stretching. Yes. And then also the work what we are doing here, if 2 or 3 people work sitting together, first of all they should be friendly with each other. Second, they should have the same speed, both of them. The third, one of them are team leader. 2 people cannot be at the same time the leader. Otherwise it will be balaka. And then the same people should finish the carpet. You cannot switch people from one carpet to, because it's like painting.
Yes, it's your spirit.
Yeah. We have, for example, 4 people, 2 in one this carpet, 2 in this carpet. They are the same design, same thing, and same size, same color. When they finish, the price of one is 4,000, the price of the other one is 8,000. Because they have that skill. Take one of the threads, turn this, take it back, and the second one, the pair of this from the left we take, and then bring it over, take with this hook, and from inside of this two we pull it out, push it down, and then cut it. Very easy, you see?
That looks hard.
It moves. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm the fastest in this workshop because I'm the general manager of this workshop.
Of course.
I make 5 knots per minute.
Wow.
And these girls, they make only 40 per minute.
Okay, 40.
So I'm the fastest. So after each line, look. This is the outside of the thread, yes? This is light color. But if you see the inside of the thread, this is dark color, you see? That's why we put this always in this way, and it is always light color. But if we see the carpet from the other side, the color looks this way. Because this one, we see the inside of that. What we do with the rest of the silk, this we give to allergy hospital. People has allergy with synthetic, they can use in cushion and pillows. And it's free. If you know anyone also that they have allergy, we give free. But for tourists and visitors, we have a limit. We cannot give more than 100 kilo per person. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carpets on the floor. They are the same pattern. They are the same size, but they look different. Almost the same size, not 100%. So the same design, but the prices are different. For example, the price of this one is about $7,000. This one, the price of red one is 2,000 something, and that is like 3,000 something. It depends to the numbers of knots. For example, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them in here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them in here, and you have 10 of them in here. It depends to the time of make. So all the prices, like supermarkets, we pack in behind of the carton. But this is not fixed price. People can pay more. So it's not no problem. Now I want to show you the carpet. Like personally, I like myself is the Samarkand design. This is my personal taste. But we don't have any blue carpets in our home. She saw because she likes beige and red. So everything in our home is beige and red. Now is the time that I should change the house, or I should change the carpet.
So why is this a Samarkand? Is it the
You see the
design?
tiles in Registan Square?
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
these are also the same kind of thing.
Ah, I see.
And this is two of them, the same. Same size, but different colors.
And after a hectic morning, we made it here on Boxing Day 2019. This is the train station. And the teenagers in the group are excited to see the ancient city of Samarkand.